Goa Police had sought the time, citing ongoing airline crisis. This is the big news that we are getting for you at this point in time. Deepankar, my colleague, is joining us on the broadcast. Deepankar, give us more details. Big development there as far as Ajay Gupta is concerned.
Well, yes, these are big developments that have happened in the Saket court where Ajay Gupta was produced before the additional judicial magistrate, and transit remand was sought by the Goa Police to take him from Delhi to Goa, and the court has granted a time of 36 hours to the Goa Police to take Ajay Gupta from Delhi and produce him before a local court in Goa where the matter is being heard regarding the nightclub fire incident that had happened in Goa. The court has also said that his spinal injury, actually the defense had raised this question that he has some spinal injuries and for which medication is to be provided. The court has said that should be taken into consideration by the Goa Police while he's being taken from Delhi to Goa. And the Goa Police had also cited that the crisis that is going on, the ongoing crisis regarding the airplanes, and had, because of that, had sought such a big time. Otherwise, generally it is 24 hours that is granted, but citing this airline crisis that is going on, the Goa Police has sought time, and taking that into consideration, the Delhi Saket court has also granted 36 hours for the Goa Police to take Ajay Gupta from here to the Goa and produce him before a Goa court, where he will be further taken into the custody of the Goa Police, and a custody remand will be granted to the Goa Police to conduct further investigation and do some custodial interrogations from Ajay Gupta and to find out as to what had happened and where the other partners are.
Thank you very much for the moment for joining us with your inputs, Deepankar. In fact, we also tried to confront Ajay Gupta earlier. Take a look at the sequence.
अजय गुप्ता, आपको पुलिस यहाँ पर लेकर आई है, जरा ये बताओ अजय गुप्ता, ये बताओ कि आप यहाँ पर आए हो अजय गुप्ता को लेकर। अजय कहाँ थे? लेकर आई है अजय, पता था यहाँ
अजय, जिम्मेदारी किसकी है? 25 लोगों की मौत हुई, उसकी जिम्मेदारी कौन लेगा? अजय
बताओ, अजय बताओ, अजय क्या
बिना एनओसी के क्लब कैसे चला रहे थे? बिना एनओसी के क्लब कैसे चलाया? अजय फेस कवर करके क्या हुआ बताइए? एक दिन पहले अस्पताल में क्यों भर्ती हुए? अजय ये बताओ जिम्मेदारी किसकी है? क्या नियम? दरवाजा में क्या नियम? लूथरा ब्रदर्स का है, लूथरा ब्रदर्स का है। अजय आप ही तस्वीरें देखेंगे,
पार्टनर हूँ, मुझे इसके बारे में मैडम दरवाजा खोले तो एनओसी थी,
एनओसी ली थी, एनओसी ली थी। आप बिजनेस पार्टनर है, आपने एनओसी ली थी।
तुम स्लीपिंग पार्टनर ही सही, लेकिन क्या तुमने एनओसी मांगी थी? तुमने पूछा था कि पैसा कहाँ लगा रहे हो?
And viewers, we also spoke exclusively to the Chief Minister. The Goa Police, remember, have detained Ajay Gupta. We spoke exclusively to the Goa Chief Minister, who held a press conference also earlier today. Listen in to what he had to say.
Sir, we are hearing that there was an inquiry which was initiated by you in March month, after which an IPS officer was transferred to Delhi. Do you think that there is any connection? Is there any connection of that case with this?
कम्प्लीटली वो डिफरेंट केस थी और उसके बारे में ऑलरेडी रिपोर्टिंग किया और वो केस तो एट प्रेजेंट तो कंसर्न आईपीएस ऑफिसर इज नॉट हियर.
But that concerned IPS officer is said to be the same person who had pressurized the PI. Then
I don't think.
Sir, additionally, what kind of action is being taken place? Yesterday we saw massive action on Wagat or Romeo Lane. After that,
इस तरह के वायलेशंस रहा तो भी हमने एनफोर्समेंट कमेटी जो अपॉइंट की है, इस तरह के जो वायलेशन रहेंगे तो उसके खिलाफ एक्शन होगी.
Sir, it was the third time when the action was taken. Why did the tourism department not take the action before? And tourism department was the first one which had started the complaint.
जब मुझे लगता है बाकी कुछ रहा होगा क्योंकि तब डेमोलिशन स्क्वाड और इसके बारे में, लेकिन जब मेरे ध्यान में आ गया तो मैंने डेमोलिशन करने के लिए कहा.
All right, so that was the first reaction we got from the Chief Minister today. He held a press conference after a meeting with the key stakeholders in the tourism department in Goa, and he says that there have been pending formalities earlier related to the demolition, etc. Action has now been taken, is what the Chief Minister said, and he said the moment he came to know about the issue, he immediately instructed for action in this particular case. But the point really is that what was the administration, what were the authorities really doing for the past 2 years? Remember, there were several lapses that have now emerged. In fact, repeated reminders were sent as well to the management of this particular nightclub about the lapses, but nothing really was done for about 2 years. How was it even allowed? Who will answer these important questions? Now, that aspect still remains, even as right now the focus of the investigating agencies is to somehow bring back Luthra brothers who fled to Thailand just hours after this tragedy we saw unfolding in Goa around 11:45 p.m. when fireworks, electric fireworks, in fact, suddenly, led to a big fire in this particular nightclub. Let's now move on, viewers. And